Hi everyone, welcome back to TV show channel. So on this video I'll be teaching you on how to make a salary as a personal or as an employee or self-employed. Follow me on this channel and guide you through on how to save money or how to make a saving for yourself or for your future plan. Don't forget to subscribe to this my channel in order to be notified for any more videos. So on this video I want you to feel relaxed and feel comfortable. If possible, find a jotter or anything to write a key things that will help you on how to save money. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be thank you so much. So saving the money, it involves three things. That's number one, goal. Number two, sacrifice. Number three, self-discipline. In order to save one kobo, you must have all these things. In order to save millions of money, you have to have all these three elements. I would like to start with number one, goal. If you want to save a money, you must have a goal to achieve in the nearest future. You must have a mission. If not, you won't be motivated. You won't be motivated, or you can't motivate yourself to save a money. Then number two, a sacrifice. If you want to save a money, you must sacrifice a moment. You must sacrifice that moment you're enjoying with the money. You must sacrifice going to Buffalo. You must sacrifice going out, hanging around, touring, or anything that makes you to spend unnecessary spending. So you have to sacrifice. You have to have and sacrifice. Then number three, self-discipline. You have to discipline yourself and you have to cycle to yourself. You have to cycle your spending. You have to discipline your spending. When I say discipline your spending, you have to create a schedule for yourself on how to spend a money, how to make or how to spend your salary. So on these three things, if you adopt it or if you have it, you may easily save money. How to save money? We have two ways or three ways. I have many ways how to save money, but I will just talk on a few. Number one, you can save money from your salary. You can save money from the business you're doing, and you can save money through a contribution. People are giving you, people are dashing you money, giving you out money, so you can make a save through that. A key ways, another way to save money is, for example, if you are a salary, you're earning 20,000 naira in a month or in a weekly basis, you can go and create an account with any bank, a part of the salary account you have, and don't request for ATM while you are filling the form. After you successfully finish creating your account, once your salary came in, cut part of it, maybe 3,000, 5,000 naira, and make your savings. And once you remove that 5,000 naira, definitely you have to schedule for that 15,000 naira. If not, you will suffer because you are spending 20,000 naira for the previous month, and this month you will be spending 15,000 naira. So you have to adjust your spending in order not to be suffering throughout the month. Once you save that 5,000 naira, you won't forget that you save the money. Another next month, once the salary enter, don't wait later, because a decision may come, like you will do something or anything. So once the salary came in, transfer at that very blessed moment. Then if you are your income is to gift by a relative or anybody, once their money came to you, you can easily transfer it to your account or you go and make a deposit. If you apply these ways or through this way that I've mentioned, you can save a higher money that you can start up your business. You can buy a piece of land, you can buy, or you can achieve your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will be putting you through on how to save a money stage by stage, one after the other. So please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on this channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.